A golden retriever found abandoned ducklings by a pond and gently carried them home in his mouth, one by one.
The dog refused to leave their side, keeping them warm with his body.
Now the ducklings follow him everywhere, thinking he's their mother.
They sleep on his back, swim in his water bowl, and line up behind him when he walks. Noon point time.
When the dog lies down, all 6 ducklings nestle into his fur.
The vet says they're imprinted and can't be released.
So now he's a proud duck dad who takes his babies to the park every day.